First, I'll show you the end result so you know what I'm talking about. I'm here on my desktop and I've got all my streaming apps open, and all I'm going to do is press one key on my keyboard. Bang. Now all of my apps are positioned and sized on my screen exactly the way I like them when I'm live streaming, and I'm ready to go. So in order to work this magic, you're gonna have to download a tiny application called Windows Layout Manager, or WiLMa for short. WiLMa was developed by a guy named Stefan Didek, sorry about that pronunciation, and you can download it straight from his website for free. So just grab the link in the video description below and scroll to the bottom of that page. The download link is right here. This is just a zip file with a couple of things in it. Extract it wherever you want on your machine and run the executable to launch WiLMa. Make sure that you run WiLMa as an administrator, very important. It's gonna make your life much easier. When you first open it, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go to Layout and press Add. Now name this whatever you like. I'll call mine Streaming. Now I'm going to ignore this for a moment, and I'm going to open up all of my streaming related apps and windows that I want to have showing on my monitor. So for me, that's going to be OBS, my Twitch chat, Spotify, Discord, and about HW Monitor to measure some temps. Now I'm going to position and size this stuff exactly how I like it, so everything is convenient to see at a glance during my stream. Once I've got it all perfect, I'm going to switch back over to WiLMa, still in the Edit Layout window here, and I'm going to click the Capture button. You should see a bunch of entries get added into this Windows definition section. These are all the windows that WiLMa detected you had open when you pressed Capture. WiLMa is probably going to capture more stuff than you care about, so I recommend taking a minute, scanning the list, and deleting entries that you don't need. The names are generated during the capture process, and they aren't the most obvious things in the world, but just take a moment and you should be able to parse out which of these corresponds to a window that you care about and which ones you can remove. So I'll just select and delete these things that I don't need. And while we're here, I'm also going to check this box, always restore minimized windows. That will force the layout to run on windows even if they are minimized. We definitely want that. Press OK. Now back at WiLMa's main screen, highlight your layout. Click Layout and Apply. Nothing should happen. Everything should already be organized exactly how you like it because we just did that. Now mess everything up. Move things around and resize things. Just fuck it all up. Once you've undone your masterpiece, go back to WiLMa and apply your layout again. Now everything should snap back and be restored to the state you captured it in. Pretty cool. Now let's bind this magic to a hotkey. Double-click your layout to open it up. And here at the top left corner, let's check this Enable Hotkey Assignment box. Set your hotkey to whatever you like. I'm going to set mine to the Home key on my keyboard without any modifiers and press OK. Now I can launch my layout easily whenever I want by clicking a single key. One more tip here for using WiLMa: if you guys are having issues with some certain windows, or if you just want to get more specific, you can open up individual definitions inside of a layout and fine-tune all kinds of properties. Personally, the capture feature has always served me right, but if you need to get in deep with each definition, then you can. If you're finding that your layout isn't running properly, then try editing your window definitions to be less specific. I'll show you what I mean. If I open up my Discord window definition, I can see that it's going to look for a window title matching #allchat-discord. But I want to be able to run my layout no matter what channel or server that Discord might be focused on. I don't want to have to switch my channel to all chat just for the layout to work. That nearly defeats the entire purpose. So what I'll do is uncheck this first box, if window title is, and instead only rely on the process name checkbox. Now Discord will respond properly to my layout hotkey no matter what is in focus within the app. Depending on what you're capturing and if the window name can change, you may need to make small modifications like this. Something else you're going to want to do: at WiLMa's main screen, press Options and then Configuration. Uncheck this box at the very top to show the Restore dialog. That way WiLMa won't ask you to confirm every time a layout runs. Another tip, you might want to add WiLMa to Windows startup applications so that your hotkeys are going to work no matter what, so you don't have to remember to start WiLMa whenever you want to do anything else. Okay, that's it. If you're having trouble using WiLMa at all, drop a comment below. Maybe I can help you out. Hopefully you guys find WiLMa as useful as I do, and hopefully you guys can see the potential for multiple layouts depending on what kind of work that you're doing. On my other PC, I have specific layouts designed for video editing, for music production, for working with like IDEs and terminals and stuff when I'm developing code. There's a lot of potential here. So think about what sorts of configurations you can save to make your life easier. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name's Alex. If you like these sort of technology-oriented tutorials that content creators can benefit from, then head over to my channel. I've got more. So thank you very much. See ya.